Hello everyone, my name is Jennifer Stay, this is Coloring Bliss, and today I'm going to be coloring in my new book, Volume 5, Mandala Bliss. And the cool thing about this book is I had Steve, my business partner and husband, print it for me on the new Bliss black paper. Look how cool is this. Now, the mandalas I drew for Volume 5 are relatively simple, wide open spaces so that you can color and experiment and have a great time in here without worrying about teeny tiny details. Now, you can have this book printed on different kinds of paper, not just the black. So if you're not into coloring on black, don't fear. You can have it printed on watercolor paper, on marker paper, color pencil paper, or mixed media paper. So come on over to Coloring Bliss and check it out. But today my plan is to color a mandala in this book using just the Prismacolor grays. Prismacolor has an awesome lineup of grays, French grays, cool grays, warm grays. I may even use the silver, and I know I'm going to be using the white as well. I'm really excited to see how this turns out. An all gray mandala on black paper. So the first thing I get to do is thumb through here and pick out which mandala I want to color. Okay, it's all done, and boy, am I excited about how it turned out. All I did was use Prismacolor grays, and I also used Prismacolor white and black. If you'd like to see how I colored this, follow the link in the video description where I do a real-time color along, and you can learn how to color this entire page. And there are links in the video description so that you can buy this coloring book so that you can have it on black and do some fun coloring effects just like this. If you like this kind of video and you want to learn more about coloring on black and other coloring techniques, then just comment below and let me know that you enjoyed this. And before you go, check out the beautiful shavings, all gray and black and white. Oh, it's inspiring just in and of itself. I hope you enjoyed looking at this beautiful art. Let me bring it up a little bit closer so you can see how stunning all three gray families from the Prismacolor pencil line, how they turned out in one coloring page on black. Gorgeous. Thanks for joining me for this fun video, and we'll see you later. Have a wonderful, colorful, blissful day. Bye-bye, everyone.